Okay, let's get started. So you have opened up your monthly DCCCD time and effort sheet. The first thing you want to do is be sure that you're using Adobe. Secondly, go to your tools and then scroll down to where it says Forms and Signature, Fill and Sign. Click on the icon. Once you click on the icon and you've already set up your signature there, if you have not set up your signature, you can add your signature. You're going to click here where it says sign. Your signature is there. If it's not there, you can actually click the plus button and sign and save your signature. And then in essence, you would just drag it down to the spot to where you need to sign your document. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.